Hello, my name is Liptrap. I'm currently enrolled in a course taught by Dr. Hazlett called Integrated Instructional Systems. I'll be teaching a standards-based lesson in chemistry and for the 10th grade based on the PA Common Core standards. I hope you enjoy watching my lesson. Okay. To get started, we're just going to jump right into this. I'm going to talk to you guys about percent composition today. Percent composition is the percent of each compound, of each element in a compound. So every compound is made up of at least two different elements. Occasionally there's a compound that's like two of the same elements, like CO2. But we're not worrying about that right now because that'd be 100% chlorine. So when we have two different elements or more in one compound, we need to figure out how much of each one is in it. So then that tells us physical properties of the compound, like what its melting point is, what its density is, stuff like that. So I have this worksheet that we will go through the first three problems together. So we'll model how to do it for you. And then you guys will do the remaining problems with a partner, and I will walk around and help you guys out. So here we have our periodic table, and on the first one you guys see that we have CuBr2. Does anybody know what that is? Good job. So copper is right here on the periodic table, which is 29. So that is, the atomic mass of that is 63.55 grams per mole. Okay, so now we have copper. The other is bromine, which is atomic mass of 79.9. Alright, but as you can see, we have two bromines here. So to get the total mass of the compound, we need to multiply this by 2. So, and that is 159.8. So now what we have the atomic masses of our two elements in our compound. We can figure out the percent mass of each of the elements. So we need to figure out the total mass first. So that would be 63.55 plus 159.8, which is
223.35.
223.35. Okay. So now we have that. Now we can figure out how much of each element is in our compound. 5 copper. And the total mass is what again?
223.35.
223.35. And you divide those two.
0.284531.005.
And then we multiply that by 100.
28.45.
28.45%. So that is the percentage of copper in this compound. So now we need to do it for the bromine. So the bromine was what again, guys? 5.9. And then we're going to divide that by and what is that?
0.715.
And times 100 would be whatever adds up to 100%. So the last one we had, yeah, so you round it up to 0.6. So the answer would be copper would be 28.4%, chromium would be 71.6%. For the next few problems, I want you guys to work with a partner and do what we just did. I'll be walking around answering any questions you guys have. Just through some of the exact same decimals in there. So what I have is 41.47. So that might that could have really they're basically the same. In class, I'm going to have you guys write an exit slip for me about one question you had about today's lesson, and I'll look through those after class and address them tomorrow at the beginning. And I'm also going to collect your sheets to see how you guys did overall.